Hey everyone, and welcome! Today we're embarking on a delicious journey around the world, exploring the top 5 destinations that will tantalize your taste buds and leave you wanting more. So buckle up, grab your metaphorical fork, and let's dig in. Our first stop is the land of the rising sun, Japan. Tokyo is a haven for foodies, offering an incredible variety of flavors and experiences. Next, we travel to Lyon, the culinary capital of France. This city boasts a rich gastronomic heritage, influenced by both its proximity to the Mediterranean and its inland location. Morocco's vibrant city of Marrakesh is a feast for the senses, and the food is no exception. From Morocco, we head to the rolling hills of Tuscany, Italy. This region is famous for its simple yet delicious cuisine, using fresh seasonal ingredients. Now let's spice things up with a trip to Mexico City. Mexican cuisine is a vibrant tapestry of flavors, influenced by indigenous cultures and Spanish colonization. So there you have it, our top 5 food destinations to tantalize your taste buds and broaden your culinary horizons. Remember, food is a journey, not just a meal. So pack your bags, grab your adventurous spirit, and get ready to explore the world, one delicious bite at a time. Until next time, happy exploring and happy eating.